What's up, guys? Today I'll be doing another 10-minute sketch of one of my favorite characters, Wolverine. And if you see here on my iPad, we got 10 minutes ready to go. I'm falling in love with this quick exercise because it keeps the skills up. So, got my pencil in hand, and there we go. Get that timer going. My goal here is to try to lay down as much of the character before we hit that 5-minute mark. This has a lot of black, so I definitely don't want to take too long. Make sure I get all the pieces in there. You know, if you're still working on your drawing skills, you could give yourself 15 minutes, 20. 20 would be ideal, you don't, you have less pressure, but it's still skill building. All right, once I have the main pieces, we are just going for it. Let me get the outline going first. And I've said in previous videos, you always think you have time to make it back to a certain part, and you never really do. All right, we're hitting that 5-minute mark. Something about that 5-minute mark, it just passed so fast. The minute you make it to that 5-minute mark, it's like everything just flows after that. Try not to let that get to me, but it's very difficult once you see that 5-minute hit. Okay. Okay, this is big black, so let's go. Got a lot of filling in to do here, so can't play around with that Sharpie. Sharpie is running low. Let's see if we got more energy in this one. Okay, not bad. Some of that smoke going there. Wolverine got the hairy arms. All right. And now let's get some of that white. I have this white pen in here. You know. Little sketchy details in there. And not too bad, guys. Not too bad. And there you have it. My 10-minute Wolverine is done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time. Peace.